Welcome to Future Tech Digest. In today's video we will explore how AI actually works, so let's dive into a history a bit. In 1950, Alan Turing asked a question that changed everything. Can machines think? 75 years later, machines don't just think, they see, speak, write code, and even create movies. Today, we're answering one of the biggest questions of our time. How does AI actually work? By the end of this video, you'll understand the real science behind AI, from neural networks and deep learning to how ChatGPT forms a sentence. Let's decode the brain of the machine. What powers AI? At its core, AI is built on three things. Number 1, algorithms, the rules. Number 2, data, the fuel. And lastly, training, the learning process. Think of AI like a child learning to recognize objects. You show them 100 photos of a dog, and they start figuring it out. AI does the same, but with millions of photos, across thousands of categories, and no sleep. It's all math and pattern recognition. But let's break it down step by step. What is machine learning? Machine learning, or ML, is the engine of modern AI. It's how machines learn from data instead of being explicitly programmed. There are three major types. Number 1, supervised learning. You give the model input and tell it the correct answer. Like teaching a student with flashcards. Number 2, unsupervised learning. You give the model data, but no labels. It has to find patterns on its own, clustering, detecting anomalies, grouping behaviors. And number 3, reinforcement learning. The model learns by doing, trial, error, and reward. This is how AlphaGo beat world champions in Go. Let's go a bit deep. Neural networks and deep learning. Neural networks mimic the way our brains work, loosely. They're made of layers: input layer, the data you feed in; hidden layers, where the learning happens; output layer, the result each layer processes and passes info forward, tweaking little things along the way, like weights and biases, to improve. Deep learning means there are many hidden layers. It's how I can now recognize faces, translate languages, generate images from text. Want to explore more how language models work? When you ask ChatGPT a question, how does it know what to say? That's natural language processing, or NLP. It's the branch of AI focused on understanding and generating human language. NLP combines language rules, statistical probability, and machine learning. Modern language models like GPT-4 are transformers. They predict what comes next in a sentence based on billions of examples. So when you type, "Tell me a story about a robot," it's not just pulling info, it's generating based on context, patterns, and style. Real-world AI in action. AI is no longer a lab experiment. Here are just a few examples of AI working right now. Devon writes full code and builds apps. Sora by OpenAI turns text into movie-quality videos. Self-driving cars use AI to process environment and make decisions. Healthcare AI diagnoses diseases from scans. AI assistants, from ChatGPT to Google Gemini. You've probably used AI today, in your phone, your email, or your music recommendations. Challenges and controversies, but with great power comes great complexity. AI is powerful, but it also has risks. As AI learns from human data, and that data isn't always fair, like AI can generate fake news or deep fake. Job displacement. Some roles are being automated faster than we expected. Regulation. Governments are racing to set rules, but the tech evolves faster. AI isn't evil, but it reflects us. The good, the bad, and the unpredictable. So what's next? The future of AI. Imagine AI writing books in your voice, designing video games in real time, acting as a personal life coach or therapist, solving climate change and medical mysteries. Some of this is already happening. Some is just around the corner. But now you understand how it works. If this helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for more mind-blowing AI drops every week. And comment, what's the craziest use of AI you've seen lately? This is Future Tech Digest, and we'll see you in the next episode.